Good evening everyone. I'm Preeti Singh present here with history class of ninth standard. Students, this is the history class. So please sit with your history book. Open your history book, lesson number 1. See there, what is the name of lesson? The French Revolution. Today we will take this only into part of the lesson what we will study in this chapter. Okay, see the first para. On the morning of 14th of July 1789, the city of Paris was in a state of alarm. Why? Because a rumor was spread that king had commanded troops to move in the city and ordered them to open fire on the citizens. When people heard this rumor, about 7,000 men and women gathered in front of the town hall, and there they decided to form a people's militia. Means they decided to form their own military as an army, and they broke many government buildings, offices. Okay, next para. Finally, a group of several hundred peoples marched towards the eastern part of the city and stopped the fortress prison, the name of Bastille. What is the name of that prison? Bastille. That was fort also. And why they broke down that fort, our prison? Because they hoped to find ammunition in large amount and weapons. In the armed fight, Bastille commander was also killed and the prisoners released. Bastille was hated by people. Why people hated that fort prison of Bastille? Because it stood for the despotic power of the king. Okay, highlight this line, despotic power of the king. Okay, one thing is here that is important also. In this lesson we will know what is despotic and why, what type of despotic power of the king. Okay, so your this line should be highlighted. We will study in the chapter number 1. Means this is also chapter number 1, but that will be the subsection of the lesson. Okay, next line. The fortress was demolished. Its stone fragment was sold in the market. Para number 3. The days that followed saw more riotic. Riotic means this is the same word of the revolution also. Okay, means people are very angry. Was very angry. Sorry, both in Paris and the countryside. Means in the city of Paris and countryside, rural areas also, both side. Most people were protesting against the high price of bread. This line also should be highlighted. Means one important thing is here also become the reason of revolution. What was that? Dearness. Okay, so many people protest against the price of dearness. So much later, when historians looked back upon this time, they saw it as the beginning of a chain of events that ultimately led to the execution of the king in France. And who was the king of the France? Louis XVI, and he belonged from Bourbon dynasty. Thought most people at the time did not anticipate these outcomes. How and why did this happen? So we will see in our subsection number 1 what happened and how these all things have done. Okay, So dear students, read this paragraph carefully so that you can understand the lesson, all reasons of this revolution. Clear? Okay, take care. Have a nice day. Bye.